Hey guys, welcome to our unboxing video. So I'm so excited because we got a new a new coffee maker, but we got the Mr. Coffee iced, and I'm so happy and can't wait to use it. Even if it's 8:19 p.m., we're still gonna try and use it. Okay. All right. So this is. That sound. Okay. So, when you open, the first thing that you can see is these brochures, like how to use it, and there's like recipe book by Tarani. So, yep. And then there's the manual. The user manual. Who used this, right? And then, baby, I think I'm gonna need your help. Okay, so this is the machine. Yay! Alright. So let's just remove this safety thing. Oh my god. Alright, thanks babe. And then it also comes with a free tumbler. Oh my god. Alright. And we got the black as well because we have the black coffee maker, the Keurig thing. Yes! Oh my gosh, struggle for the plastic. Alright, so this is how it looks. And let's just remove it. And then you open it like that, and you got your filter or the basket. Yeah, you can. And then you can just put the coffee there, like the coffee grounds. And I think it also comes with a scoop, like the coffee scoop. I don't know where it goes. And here's the tumbler. Oh yeah, it does. Here is the free scoop. So all you need is your coffee grounds, some water and ice. I believe that's how you use it. Okay, so let me just wash this and we can start brewing. And we're back after washing the stuff. Of course, you have to do that. Oh, why is it? It's already warm. Okay, so it's already warm after you plug it in. And we're gonna put water in the, what do you call that, reservoir, whatever. And then you just, there's a guide. Where is it, babe? Okay, so there's a guide for how much water you're gonna put and how much ice you're gonna put. So first, water. Thanks to my baby for putting the water. And yeah, just edit that. And then you're gonna take this and then pour the water here. Gosh, raw video. And then put it back. Oh my god. Mr. Bear to the rescue. Okay, thanks babe. And then we're gonna put some coffee grounds in your, of course, in your filter. And we got 2 ground coffees to try. Raph wants to try the organic Peru, which is light roast. And I want this naman to try the salted caramel flavor. So we're gonna do the salted caramel first. Right, babe?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I wish you can smell it from the camera. Oh, how much scoop? How many? Okay, one serving is one. So I guess one lang. So we put 1 scoop of ground coffee into your filter or basket, and then you're gonna fill your tumbler with ice. So we have here our large ice cubes because we're gonna put it on this line, onto this line. Oh, I guess like that. Again, it doesn't fit. There. Okay. So this is a very convenient ice tray. Okay, and then just gonna put it here. Of course, you have to close this, and then okay. Oh, this there.
You have to move it.
You're right.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then you're just gonna press start and wait for it to brew. So after you brew it, this is how it's gonna look like. And I have here my half and half, and also I'm gonna put some whipped cream on top, and of course we need some salted caramel sauce, so that's double salted caramel. Okay, open it. I don't understand why Trader Joe's did this kind of open, like supposed to be the open cap or something. Oh my god, it's so hard to you can see in the video. Just oh my god. Thanks my love for rescuing me all the time. Okay, oh my god, here we go.
After years of American high school, opening up those damn milk.
Oh, the chocolate milk. Okay.
Those little milk packets.
Okay, so yes. And then I'm just gonna put some. Oh, should I stir it first? Yay. And then I'm gonna put some whipped cream with the caramel sauce. Yay. The more the merrier. And there you have it, your sea salt caramel iced coffee. Cheers!